our labs we are doing, okay, in portal.azure.com. This is the platform we are having, wherein we are doing all our assignments. Oh, sorry, all our labs, all the labs, all assignments. Okay, everything we are doing here in this cloud portal. If you want to open this cloud portal, open the browser here, say portal.azure.com. Say here portal.azure.com. Okay. Okay. So this is our cloud platform or cloud portal. And here only we are going to do all the labs. We are going to do all the labs. It's same like Facebook, guys. It's same like Facebook. In Facebook, what we are having, okay, we are having a platform for Facebook. What is the platform for Facebook? www.facebook.com. For Instagram, www.instagram.com. Like this, for Azure Cloud Computing, we are having a portal called portal.azure.com. And that cloud portal is this one. Okay. If you want, I can give you this portal. If you open, it will get open to you also. Okay. It will open to you also. See now, if I put this one in the chat, if you guys click on it, okay, if you guys click on it, this portal will get open to you as well, same like this. And now it's pretty obvious. How will you log in to your Facebook and all? You will pass the email ID, your Facebook mail ID, you will pass the password, and then you will get a login. Same way here also, you have to pass your mail ID, you have to pass your password, and then you will get the login to the portal. And once you log in, your login credentials is saved in your browser. And from next time onwards, just you have to click on it. That's it. When you click on it, automatically you will log into your cloud platform. Automatically you will log into your cloud platform. So I'm having an Azure account. I'm having a Microsoft Azure account with this mail ID, with this mail ID, with this mail ID, with this mail ID, lot of mail IDs. Okay, lot of Azure accounts I'm having. Basically, I'm having lot of Azure accounts because I'm faculty, right? I'm taking the classes day and night. So I'm having lot of Azure accounts. Okay, so once you log in, that your login ID and password will be saved in the browser. From next time onwards, just you have to click on it. Automatically, you will go here inside your cloud platform. So this is your cloud platform, okay, which is getting loaded. And here we are going to do all our labs. All our labs we are going to, okay, do in this cloud platform only. Okay, fine, guys. Is this clear? So now in this cloud platform, okay, apart from this cloud platform, we are having, okay, some softwares. We are having some softwares. That softwares also will use, okay, that softwares also will use as part of our demos or as part of our labs. As part of our labs, we are using that softwares. All this is free of cost. All this you will get is free of cost. You are not going to pay even a single penny anywhere. Absolutely free. Okay, we are creating Azure free trial account. Azure free trial account. Free trial account. The name itself is telling it is free trial. Okay, here this Azure free trial account you are going to create free of cost. How to create Azure free trial account, that I'll show you guys. How to create an Azure free trial account, this I will show you. Okay, not now, maybe in tomorrow's class. Okay, fine. Okay, Pranav, meeting got disconnected. Now, are you able to listen to me? Guys, see here. First 25 minutes I will talk. Then next remaining time is yours. Previous classes recordings, guys. These are the previous classes recordings. Okay, thank you, Praveen. All right, fine. So see here, apart from this, okay, free trial Azure account, we are using some softwares, okay, that also I will provide free of cost. What is the softwares that we are using? We are using, MS SQL Server. We are using SSMS. We are using Azure Storage Explorer. Okay. And we are using, Python libraries for our Azure Databricks. Okay. Fine. And we are using community editions. Okay. For Python APIs. Okay, for our labs, all these softwares you are going to get, etc., etc. All this I'll provide you free of cost. I'm just telling you how you are going to practice, how you are going to do the labs for your hands-on. That I am telling you, because many students will get the doubt, okay, saying that, okay, sir, how we are going to practice? Sir, what is the procedure to practice? Sir, how it is going to happen for our hands-on? So that's why I am clearing all this in advance. Okay, is that clear, guys? So I'll show you the labs in the classes. Okay, I will show you the labs in the classes. Okay, in the classes, and after the class. Okay. Okay, I'll show you the labs in the classes, and after the labs, okay, after the classes, okay, you can do the practice in Azure portal. You can do the practice in Azure portal with the video recordings. Okay, you are going to get the video recordings, okay, on the next day immediately. You are going to get the video recordings on the next day immediately. Okay, and with video recordings you can do your labs, you can do your hands-on. How to create this Azure free trial account? How to create this Azure free trial account? This I will show you. How to create this Azure free trial account? This I will show you definitely in the tomorrow's class. Okay, in the tomorrow's class, how to create this free trial account, I will show you. Step by step I'm covering, guys. Step by step I'm covering. Okay, fine. So you are going to get the material. You are going to get the material. Okay, you are going to get the video recordings. Okay, you are going to get the material soft copy. I'll provide you material soft copy. Okay, video recordings. Okay, assignments. Okay, and certification dumps, interview questions and answers. Okay, sample resumes, etc., etc. All these things I'll provide you. Okay, step by step, I'll provide you all these things. Fine, is that clear? Fine. So now I'll show you the material soft copy. I'll show you material soft copy here. Okay, so I will go here to Azure Data Engineering. Azure Data Engineering. Okay, Azure Data Engineering study material. Okay, see, this is the material. I'll provide this material to all of you guys. I'll provide this study material to all of you. Okay, fine. So here, if you see, we are starting everything from this scratch. Absolutely, we are starting everything from the scratch. Okay, fine. You can create Azure free trial account maybe after 3 days. Why? Because Azure free trial account is 1 month. If you create today, then right from today only your countdown will get started. If you create today, that is on 27th June, then sharp by 26th July, the free trial account will get expire. And then after that, you are not going to have any Azure free trial account for your practice. That's why what I'm suggesting, once I start doing the labs, then I will make you create free trial account so that you can utilize to its maximum extent. You can utilize it to the maximum extent. Correct? Am I making sense? If you have used already free trial account, then you have to create one more free trial account. Okay, Nagaraju, if one free trial account is already expired, if you have already created, okay, let it be, no problem. But don't create a new free trial account right now, because once we start the labs, then if you create free trial account, then you can do all the labs easily. Okay, fine guys, is that clear? So now I'm going to discuss today different cloud deployment models. What are different cloud deployment models we are having? Okay, we are having public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay, who is public cloud? Okay, see guys, these days, if you see, okay, these days, if you see here, then every company is using public cloud only. Every company is using public cloud only. Okay, so now what is happening here? Okay, whatever the company, also, that company is trying to use a cloud only. And now the entire IT industry, I am saying that the entire IT industry is moving and migrating their applications and data to public cloud. Okay, entire IT industry means who? Entire IT industry means all the tech companies, Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Cognizant, etc. Okay, is moving and migrating their applications and data to public cloud. We are having many cloud vendors. In the market. Like, what are the different cloud vendors we are having? Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Salesforce Cloud, IBM Cloud. These are all the different cloud vendors we are having. And these are all what? Public cloud only. Okay, these cloud providers are offering their cloud computing platform with a public cloud concept. Okay, till now the entire IT industry, the organizations and IT firms were having their own cloud. Okay, that is private cloud. Fine. Suppose for an example, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, let us take for an example Infosys. Okay, Infosys got one project. Okay, example, Infosys got a one project. Now what happens here? Before developing, okay, before developing or starting the project, okay, Infosys has to set up the infrastructure first. Infosys has to set up the infrastructure first. What is the infrastructure that Infosys has to set up before starting the project? Like servers, databases, operating systems, okay, networks, etc. All these things Infosys has to set up first. So when Infosys is setting up all these things, servers, databases, networks, okay, and storages, then this is called as what? Infrastructure. See guys, I'm explaining from the very beginning. This is called as infrastructure. So when Infosys is creating, establishing, maintaining, okay, this infrastructure, we call it as private cloud. We call it as private cloud. Okay. Am I clear? Before starting the project, actual web project, okay, the project is sitting on top of this all items: servers, databases, operating system, network, storage, okay, and Azure Data Factory, Databricks, okay, and what I can say, data lake, Gen 2 storage, etc. All these things, all this are called infrastructure. When any company is maintaining all this infrastructure on their own responsibility, then that is called as what? Private cloud. And if you are using all these things in Azure cloud computing, okay, the above same things, okay, when we are using from Microsoft Azure, then we call it as public cloud. We call it as public cloud. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So Infosys is a very big company. Okay, Infosys is a very big company. If you take for an example, okay, if you take for an example, there are many small companies also. There are many small companies also which are developing the projects, right? And all those companies also required to maintain this complete infrastructure on their own responsibility, on their own accountability, on their own expenses. Then that is called as what? Private cloud. So what I'm trying to say here now, okay, these days all the cloud vendors, Microsoft Azure, AWS, GCP, they have offered their own platform. This is Microsoft Azure platform. This is Microsoft Azure platform. Like this, we are having AWS platform. Like this, we are having Google Cloud platform. So these are all big shots. These are all big shots. They are coming up with their own cloud platform and they have declared themselves as public cloud. Why public cloud? Public cloud is why? Because this platform is available and accessible for all. This cloud platform is available and accessible for everyone. Okay. See here, wherever you are, okay, whatever you are, whoever you are, okay, the cloud platform is accessible for you. That's why we are calling it as public cloud. That's why we are calling it as public cloud. It is available, reachable, browsable to everyone, wherever you are. The only thing that you need is internet connection and a device. It could be a laptop or tab or mobile. These two things are needed. That's it. If you're having these two things, then this public cloud platform is reachable for you. That's why what I'm saying here, see, I'm saying that, okay, I'm saying that public cloud means the platform is available, browsable, and accessible for all, not our resources, services, and data. What I'm saying here, not our resources, services, and data. Platform is available for all, not our resources and services and data. It's common, guys. See, I'll give you one example. Okay, fine. I'll give you one example. See, Gmail is available for everyone. Gmail is available for everyone. Gmail is available for everyone, right? But no one can see, okay, anyone's mails. See, I'll give you one example. Ankush is having a Gmail. Raja is having a Gmail. Ashish is having a Gmail. Dhananjay is having a Gmail. Ikramuddin is having a Gmail. Can I see Ikramuddin's mails? No. Can Dhananjay see my mails? No. Can I see Ashish mails? No. Can Raja see my mails? No. No one can see one or another mails. But Gmail platform is available for all. Gmail platform or Gmail site is available for all. But no one can see one's or another's mails. Why? Why? Because to see someone's mails, we have to go through authentication and authorization process. That's why I'm saying here that public cloud means the platform is available for all, browsable for all, accessible for all, but not our resources, services, and data. Inside the cloud platform, whatever we are creating, storage accounts we are creating, storage services we are creating, page blob, append blob we are creating, table storage services we are creating, file share servers we are creating, Azure Data Factory we are creating, okay, data bricks we are creating, that is not accessible, that is not browsable. Okay, that's why I have highlighted here very clearly. Okay, what we have to do, we must create an account or subscription in vendor's platform, and then we'll get an identity, and with authentication and authorization process will happen to log into our subscription, that is Azure subscription or Azure account in the cloud platform. Then it will allow us to create the resources and services which all we need as per our application or project requirements, which all we need as per our application and project requirements. Okay, guys, is that clear? So the best example I have given you is Gmail. Facebook. Can I see your Facebook inbox? Can I see your Facebook private messages? No. But Facebook is available for everyone. Same concept applies here also. This platform is available for all. Portal.azure.com. But in order to log in to this platform, you have to give the proper email ID, password, OTP, everything. If everything is correct, then only you can log in properly and you can see someone's data, services, storage, etc. etc. So that is what public cloud. And the beauty of public cloud is that what you know, guys, what is the beauty of public cloud, you know? Okay, there is no hard and fast rules to use public cloud computing. There is no hard and fast rules to use public cloud here. Believe me, if you are having a company wherein you are having only employees, two employees, then also you can use public cloud. There is no such big rules, such big things that you have to go with public cloud. Okay, fine. You have to create an account. Okay, same like Facebook account. Same like Facebook account. Just in 2 minutes, the account will get created and then you can start using public cloud. Then you can start using public cloud. It is as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that. Okay, fine. And if we are using public cloud, then maintenance of this database servers, management of these database servers, responsibility of these databases, accountability of this network storage, Everything will be cloud responsibility only. It is not your responsibility. It's not your responsibility. It is completely the responsibility of the cloud vendor. If you are using Azure, then it is the responsibility of Microsoft. If you are using AWS, then it is the responsibility of Amazon Web Services. Okay, if it is Google Cloud, then it is the responsibility of Google. That's the strength. That's the beauty of public cloud. You are just using these services for your project requirement, and whatever you are using, accordingly, you are paying this money. Whatever you are using, accordingly, you are paying the money. That's the public cloud computing platform. That's public cloud computing platform. Okay, fine, guys. Is this clear? Public cloud computing we are consuming on rental basis. Suppose, for an example, if you have taken one house, one flat, so what will you do? Monthly rent you will pay for the flat, correct? Monthly rent you will pay. Whatever the rent is, 12,000, 10,000 monthly rent you will pay. In the same way here, when you are using public cloud computing platform in your real-time projects, then whatever the resources you have used, you have consumed, accordingly, as per your usage, you will get the bill, you have to pay the money. Okay. It's something like rental concept. Okay. And this cloud platform is such compatible, it will give you all the services, all the resources, whatever you need for your application or project requirement. See, I'll give you one example. To develop one project, okay, what you need database servers, databases, operating system, network, storage, ADF, Databricks, data lake, gen2 storage services, okay, blob storage, many things like this you need. All these are what? These are all the ingredients, guys. These are all the ingredients. Okay. And all these things you are getting just in one platform only. And moreover, you are not responsible for any maintenance, management, renewal, insurance, licenses, activities, and all. You are directly consuming as per your comfort, as per your requirement, and monthly bill you are paying. But when it comes to private cloud now, when it comes to private cloud or on-prem, when it comes to private cloud or on-prem, okay, then maintaining all these things, managing all these things, responsible for all these things, you are responsible. That's what I'm saying here. See, when the company, example Infosys, is creating, establishing, maintaining, managing this infrastructure on their own, then we call it as what? Private cloud. If any challenge comes, any problem comes, server is down, server is not running, server is getting into some technical issue, network is down, some cable or port is not working, everything you have to take care of in private cloud. Simple funda, guys. See, I'll tell you one thing. See, private cloud is okay, something like, something like you are getting the groceries, vegetables, cooking the food, and enjoying, eating. All efforts is yours only. You are going to market, you are getting the groceries, vegetables, you are cooking, and you are eating. All your efforts. That is private cloud. Okay, something like you are establishing the infrastructure, you are developing the project, you are maintaining all the resources, services, what you need, you are maintaining the people, you are giving salaries, everything is your responsibility. What is public cloud? Public cloud is going to some restaurant, and ordering the food. Ordering the food. what happens here? After 15 minutes, the food will be on your table and you are eating and you are eating. So have you done any efforts here? Have you done any efforts? No, you have not done any efforts. You have not got the groceries, you have not cut the vegetables, you have not done the cooking. Just you have ordered the food in a restaurant. The food has been served you in 15 minutes and you have enjoyed the food. This is what something public cloud. Is my examples easy to understand, guys? Because many of the people in our batches, we are having freshers. So it is our responsibility to take care of fresher peoples, guys. So if some working people are here, working professional, please, okay, coordinate with us a little. Might be you are finding it little, things repeated or listened already. Correct. So can I get the feedbacks, guys? How it is going? Is it easy to understand till now? All good? See, guys, I love people talking to me. Please, please don't be silent. Please talk to me. If you want to talk to me, some movie also, I am ready to talk. Easy understanding. Okay, okay, Manju, thank you. Okay, Manoj, thank you. Karthik, okay, good. Okay, Renuka, thank you. Okay, okay, very nice. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the responses. This is what private cloud. See what I'm saying here? Till now, the IT industry, the IT firms and organizations were having their own cloud. Were means till now they were using, they were having. Okay. And when they are establishing the complete infrastructure on their own, that is called as private cloud, the IT firms were maintaining this infrastructure, data centers on their own expenses, on their own responsibility, and this was accessible only for them. And they are responsible and accountable if some disaster happened, either that is a natural disaster or a man-made disaster. In private cloud, if something goes wrong, then except you, no one is responsible. No one is responsible. This is what private cloud. What is hybrid cloud now? What is hybrid cloud? What is this, Kiran? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much for the sweet comments. All right. What is hybrid cloud now? What is hybrid cloud? See, hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. Hybrid cloud, okay, is a combination of public and private cloud. Okay. Legacy time, okay, you can say that, that is fine, but now it's been gone now. Okay, legacy time is been gone now. Why? Because every company these days wants to have their project in public cloud only. Mostly 90% of the companies is trying to have in the public cloud only. Okay. Why? Because there is no hard and fast rule, guys. What I have told, I told, right? If you're having only 2 employees, such a small company, one room company, then even that company also can use public cloud. It is not something like, if you want to open a hospital, if you want to open a restaurant, what you have to do to open hospital, restaurant, or a college, you have to show a very big campus. You have to show a very big building. You have to show this many faculties are ready. You have to show this many, okay, benches, this many floors. Okay. If you want to open a hospital, you have to show this many doctors are available. These many beds are there for the patients. These many machineries is available for us. Then only you will get hospital's license to open a hospital. But for cloud computing, there is not something like very big kind of rules here. That's why it became very easy for everyone to work in cloud computing, guys. To work in cloud computing, it became very easy for everyone. Okay, getting? Next we are having is what? Hybrid cloud. What is hybrid cloud here? See, I am saying that hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination. It's a mixture. It's a mixture of public and private cloud. Example, let us understand this with an example. Let us say our front-end application servers are hosted in cloud as public and DB servers in on-prem. And now using a VPN will connect from our backend server to front-end server. And this type of setup and scenarios is called as hybrid cloud. This type of setup and scenarios is called a hybrid cloud. Okay. Jitendra, I think the phone is nearby you. Okay. So please don't distract yourself, Jitendra. Okay. I'm not telling here. Literally, I'm writing everything. No faculty will do like this. Believe me. Fine. And now you are asking me, just now I have told 2 minutes before, difference between public and private cloud. I have written also very clearly. You are asking me this question means the smartphone is nearby you. You got distracted by Instagram, I believe. Have you opened Instagram, Facebook app, something? Fine. So I'll tell you what is hybrid cloud with an example. I'll tell you hybrid cloud with an example. Please, guys, see, I'll tell you one thing. It's not only for one person, to everyone I'm telling. Okay, please listen to the class with full attention. Throw away your phone, because I do have a very bad habit of social media. I do have Facebook account, Insta account, Twitter account, YouTube account. Easily, especially our generation, okay, youths are getting distracted very easily. So please throw away your phone. It's hardly 1 hour class. After that, you can enjoy. Because see, guys, this course is giving you a job. This is not something university or college course subject where you can get the important things and you can pass the subject. No, this is job ready skills. This skills is going to give you a job. And whatever we are teaching, everything you are going to use in your real-time projects. They will ask you in the interviews. What they will ask in the interviews, can you tell us the difference between public cloud and private cloud? What you have used, why you have used, why everyone is moving to public cloud these days? What are the different public cloud vendors available in the market? These are expected questions in the interviews. If you listen this lecture peacefully, patiently, complete 1 year, then trust me, you can easily handle the interview questions. Whatever I'm teaching, guys, I can give you in writing if you want it. Okay, whatever I am teaching, the modules, okay, whatever the labs I'm showing, okay, whatever the projects, live projects, whatever the live projects, okay, we are going to implement. If you are thorough, if you are thorough in these, then that is more than enough for you to get a job. That is more than enough for you to get a job. Material, what material I'm giving? See, this is the material you are going to get. This material you are going to get. See, this is the material. All this material, see, all this material about I'm going to give you guys. This is the material. See, if you read each and every line in this material, believe me, this is more than sufficient for you to get a job. All the labs here. This material is very big, very big. Okay, I'm going to explain everything. If you read this thoroughly, believe me, this is more than sufficient for you to get a job. See, lot of topics are there. Lot of topics are there. See, this material is having almost how many pages? Okay, 173 pages. 173 pages. Like this, we are having one more material. That also I'll share. If you read this much, if you are thorough with this much, then believe me, it is more than enough for you to get a job. Okay, is that clear, guys? Yes or no? Fine. So we are just at one page, first page. We are just at first page now. Slowly in this 2 months time, okay, we are learning these topics only from this material. Okay, fine, guys. So I'll just come in 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Okay, we'll see now what is hybrid cloud. Okay, see, I'm making you understand. Okay, 1 minute, Jitendra. I'll answer your question. 1 minute. See here, guys. I'm saying hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. Okay, I'll make you understand with an example. Okay, see now what is happening here. This is one website, guys. Online SBI. This is one website. Okay, this website. When I'm opening this website is sitting on top of some server. Okay, SBI website is sitting on top of some server. Okay, see, SBI website on top of some server, and this server is in public cloud. Okay, SBI website is sitting on top of some server. Okay, and this server we call it as web server, and this web server is in public cloud. Okay, fine. Web server is in public cloud, or else I can give in this way also in a diagram. What is this? Spelling mistake. Okay, see now. Actually, I avoid diagrams because it will take a lot of time. Okay, this is SBI website, guys. Okay, this is, assume that SBI website. It is sitting on top of some server. This server, we are calling it as web server. All right, this is called as what? Web server. And this server is in public cloud. So this is SBI website. Okay, this website is sitting on top of some server. Okay, this is our web server. This is our web server. So whichever server is carrying the website, that server we call it as what? Web server. Whichever server, okay, whichever server, okay, carrying the website, we call it as web server. Okay, we call it as web server. Okay, and this web server is where? In public cloud. It is in public cloud. Okay, let us take that is Azure. The public cloud is Azure. Okay, and this website, lot of Indians, I think 1 crore, more than 1 crore. The total population of India is 140 crores. Let us take, if 50 crore people is also having account in SBI. Okay, let us take 10 crores people are having account in SBI out of 140 crores, because this is, okay, Government of India bank, right? I myself is having two accounts in SBI. Everyone is having accounts in SBI. So when we log into this website, what we'll do, we'll pass the details, right? We'll pass the username, password, right? So what I'm saying here now, okay, there are many people who are having SBI accounts. Okay, infinite people having accounts in SBI, and all these people data we kept in a database. Some are having net banking, so they are having username, password. Some are having SBI credit cards. Some are having SBI transactions. Some are receiving the money. Someone is sending the money. Someone is paying the bills. Someone is doing online shopping. Someone is canceling something, online shopping. Lot of stuff. Lot of stuff. So this is all what? Data only, na? Data only, na? Correct or not? Transaction data. So all that data we kept in a database. And the server which is carrying this database, that is called as what? Database server. We call as that what? Database server. Correct? This server we call it as what? Database server. And this database server is in private cloud. Okay. The website which is hosting in a server, that is in public cloud, and the database which is carrying that website data, okay, that is database server, and that is in private cloud. Like this also we are having projects in our IT companies. Okay, so in the project, website is in public cloud, the same website data is in private cloud. Then this kind of setups is called as what? A hybrid cloud. This kind of setup, this kind of architecture, we call it as hybrid cloud. If this web server, database server, both are in Microsoft Azure, then that is simply public cloud. If this web server and this database server both are in private cloud, then it is simply private cloud. But when one web server is in public cloud and the same website data is in database and which is in database server, and this is in private cloud, then this kind of setup is called as what? Hybrid cloud. And we'll run like this kind of projects by establishing a VPN, virtual private network. Okay, we'll using VPN, will connect from our backend server to front-end server, and this type of setup and scenario is called as a hybrid cloud. Is that clear, guys? So public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. These are the mostly used cloud setups, cloud deployment models we are having in our tech companies, in our organizations. Now, past from 25, 30 years, we are having private cloud only because there is no other option for us. But recently, from 3-4 years, public cloud took the boom. Okay, everyone is moving to public cloud, right? So there are some projects which are in hybrid cloud mode and many projects which are going to public cloud. And the project which is in private cloud, that project's also getting migrated to public cloud sooner or later, maybe after 2-3 years, after 3-4 years, but everyone has to go to public cloud only. Okay, guys, is that clear? Is that clear? Cloud deployment models, is it clear? I'll give you this material, guys. This complete material I'll give you in one shot. In one shot. So please make the fee payments. Okay, once the fee payments is done, we'll change the link. We'll get a new link. So there we'll get all the people who have paid the fee as per Naresh Shetty policy. Then only I can share the material. Right now we are having people who paid the fee, who did not pay the fee and all. So once we lock the batch, the link will get changed. There we'll get all the students who paid the fee, and then I'll start sharing material, assignments, interview question and answers, labs, lab steps, how to do the labs, all the steps I'll give you. Video recordings will provide you. All these things will proceed. Is that clear, guys? Yes, no? Different cloud deployment models. All good? How is it going? Is it going good? Easy to understand? Okay, fine. Fine, guys. So I think we are changing the link tomorrow. Tomorrow we are changing the link, I believe. So I request everyone to make you a free payment so that you should not miss even a single class. See, guys, if you won't make the fee payment, then you will not get the class link, and this link will get changed. Is that clear? So please be up to date. Okay. Now, okay, if there is any questions, please do let me know. Okay, thank you, Manju. Thank you so much. Okay. So if there is any questions, guys, please do let me know. I'll address your questions. Okay. I'll address your questions. And if there is no questions, we can close the class. And tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss the cloud service models. Tomorrow I'll explain cloud service models. What is IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? This I'll explain in tomorrow's class. I'll give you examples and all. I'll tell you in detail explanation about this cloud service models also. Okay, see Jitendra, I have told this question already. Okay, see, we are using cloud computing because if we don't use cloud computing, then we have to use our own infrastructure, our own data center. Okay, and I have told here very clearly, if you are using your own infrastructure, your own data center, then every responsibility is on you only. Every accountability is on you only. The company wants to get rid of this responsibility. If someone is offering you a very good job with double salary, with 100% job security, with lot of comfort, then definitely you will join that job only. Na? In the same way here, now companies got the opportunity. Companies means who? Companies means Infosys, Entity Data, okay, Cognizant, Chenova, Choice Solutions, etc. These are all tech companies. So these tech companies previously having lot of challenges and problems. But after cloud computing came into existence, now the responsibility is not under them. The responsibility is under the cloud vendor. That's why we started using cloud computing. Is that clear? Okay, lock lawn. I am from HR recruitment background, have 4 years gap. Can I go for this course? Yes, you can go for this course, lock lawn, but see, your HR experience will not be count here. This is completely pure technical role. Your HR experience will not be counted. So you have